Oo, dito, dito, dito. Ate, kayo na lumapasok kayo doon. Christine, pasok ka doon, dali.
Everybody, fully dito kayo.
Oo.
At the front.
Team, ate, isa pa. Ate Girlie, pasok ka rin. Doon. Ayan. One, sa ate. Okay. Ako na lang muna mag-score.
Dash, dito kayo sa right. Right side. Iyan dito kayo. Face to me, face to me. Alam mo yung calisthenics na ginagawa last time? Yeah, that's the thing. Parang lahat nyo, umabsent ako ng isang araw, guys. Good. Okay. So, ulit lang.
Bola ni Ate Mil, hiramin mo. Mas maganda yung bola ni Ate Mil. Ayun pala, oh.
Ganyan out kayo.
Bola sa inyo. Hanggang 18 tayo, guys, ha. Labas ang isang hiram.
Stay there. Okay, ready.
Coach.
Okay na?
Stacy Poch Kitlin yung original. O, sige. Okay.
Just to hit.
O, yung mga late. Hindi pa naman. Ay, si Mel. Ayan na si Mel. Wait. Pasok ka na agad, Mel.
Good job.
Si Mel, labas ulit dyan ang isa, Stacy. Hindi. Sa team ni Stacy, labas ang...
Take again. 5 minutes lang daw.
Stacy Poch Kitlin, Mel. O, sige, labas ka.
To make sure.
Pasok ka, Ate Mel, doon, ah.
So, pendulum sa other side.
Si Stacy. Si Stacy mag-set. Ate, ano nga name mo, te?
Athletic move.
Si Marichu, di ba? Marichu.
It's not like this. Swinging.
Okay.
Tiny up.
Hindi ako naalala eh. Kaya kailangan naka-makeup.
That's it.
Okay na. Pasok na. Hindi. Sige, pasukan mo muna natin ng isa. Pasok ka muna. Nagbibis pa eh. Game. Okay na. 1, 2. Parang ano lang apat. Pero game na, bebe.
1, 2. 1, 2. Stop. We go across. Right forward. Pointing to the front. Okay. That's how you're gonna do it.
Okay, 1-0.
Okay, ready. Set. Go. Cross. Stop. Cross. Stop. Cross.
Oo. Oo, kina-coach.
Hands. Ready. Go. Cross. 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 Bigger. Bigger. Come on, cover. Masyado na gagawin ako. Forward ka. Step forward. Take it into the glass. Together. Together. Push.
Ate, bakit wala akong ipad?
Again. Stop.
Sabi ko sa maman din, reminder ko, may ipad eh. Naka-makeup pa man din ako. Okay lang, sige. Ah, hindi na iba. Sorry mo.
Facing forward. At the back.
Okay lang yun, walang violation yun na.
Bawal shot.
Sino? Sige, labas na. O ate Stacy, mag-ano ka na. Mag-set ka na.
Like you're doing your hip. Seven, the hips is coming from the hip. Not from the knee. Straight, yes, up. 4, 3, 2.
3-2.
Good, stand up. So, civilian, this other side.
Okay, mahiya mag-receive. Receive lang ka receive.
Good. Stop. Next round. Next round. Hips forward. Like you're doing a matrix. Turn. Running opposite side. Counter. Right side. Stop like this. The hips. If you don't hit, it means your movement coming from here. Go up. Down. Up and down. Go. Push. Push. Finish. Good job. Okay. A, sabi na kay Coach Ilan. B, good finish. That's good again. Let's go, guys.
5-4. 18.
Let's go. Soccer receive. Soccer receive.
Inside po, inside.
Soccer receive.
Mary, ba't hindi mo ni-receive?
Towards the net.
Ikaw pala si Mary J.
Very good. If you fail,
Akala ko yung MJ ng KBT na isa.
the ball goes to that side over there.
Si Mary pala po yung Mary natin.
And ready.
Ni-level 1 ko pa man din.
Soccer po.
Ibang Mary pala to. Oh! 7-5.
Go. Try to lower down the hips. Lower down the hips forward. Go. Go, very good. Get the ball. Bounce it back up.
Ha?
Get the ball.
Ano? May paninda ka ba? Wala pa.
Try to push the hips.
Padunay.
With that pattern, Isabel is the only person that
Lang
dropped
kasi
out
sa
the
print
ball
class natin. Pero sold out na lang.
Good stop. Good. Get the ball.
Nagutom yung mga players yata last week.
Guys, get the ball. Lower down.
Isang player order ay tatlo.
Happy?
8-5.
Lower. Very good. The first time, ate, try to
Ah, hindi bago. Ang dami kasing bago dito eh. Parang 10 players yata yung bago natin ngayon, guys. So, welcome na lang natin. So, yung mga kinakailangan mag-training, meron po tayong training sa kabila. Ready, okay?
take your body lighter. Push.
Para mas ma-practice po tayo sa pag-receive ng bola. 10 yun. Ten, 5. Ay, Ate Beth!
Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Itaas yung legs mo. Get the ball. Your hips. Your hips. Very good. Very good.
Huwag kang maala ate ha. Kaya mo yan. Sige, sige. Huwag kang mate. I-report ko itong si ate. Taas mo lang siya, te. Huwag mong piniting ibalik.
Very good. Good. See the hips. The hips.
Ah, di ba, bebe? Mary naman, tumakbo ka na. Hindi mo pa tinira.
Hey, yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, Maria. Very good.
Yan.
Maria.
Basta taas nila, angat nila.
Very good.
Ayun na naglalaro, Zen. Oo.
I know you're really good at passing, pero it's not passing.
Dito ka kay ate ba nandiyan na si Zena? Dito, Bebesh.
Ayan, very good.
Wala ba si Princess?
Good.
Yes. Kaso wala eh.
If you're a player that
Let's them.
very good. Tapos ang sakit.
Walang violation.
Good.
Last 3.
What happened to you? Very good.
Outside.
Very good.
O, 8. Next game po, next game.
You're always fast.
Next game, Girly, Eds, Christina, Miss Anne, Louise,
Very good.
Marichu,
Proper position, guys.
Lauren, B, Christine, Grace, and Wesley.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Wala na. Walay na.
Yung proper. Ikaw mo yan.
Dalawang wala. Kayong dalawa ni Princess, wala sa loob.
Ang parent teacher rin.
Yan yung bago.
Very good. Very good.
Yung naka-purple na bago. Naka-custom si Anne.
Very good. So that's beautiful.
Sa attitude.
Very good.
Oo.
Ano na po yung touch ng legs niya?
Hindi. Si Princess lang sa'yo.
Nag-stop si Moy. Good job.
Dalawa lang. Kasi yung dalawa sa attitude tsaka sa atin orang hindi.
Tingnan mo, after bola.
Oo.
But you do hit stop.
Ay! Lahat sila, except lang yung sa ano.
Can you show me, what's the proper group?
Next game, Girly, Eds, Christina, Miss Anne, Louise, Marichu, Noor, Red, B, Christine, Grace, Wesley. Nasaan na si...
How is it? Very good. This one is actually nice. However, making the idol, but just to make a note, that's actually good. Go down. Okay. We never align that at the leg. Masyadong power. Idol. Very good. Can you show me?
Diretso.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Tatapatuhan. Very good. Make things exaggerated. Why? Kasi when you're thinking and then you're under pressure,
Oo, pasok ka.
you cannot really do the technique well.
Pasok ka rin ate.
If you're not gonna do the technique very well, it will be clear when you're under pressure.
Last.
So if you get used to it,
Last 2, last 5,
you use your technique, but still the technique is good.
last 2, last 5. Karapit mo mo. Outside. Last one. Andito na si Grace, di ba? Si Ate Grace. Kaya mo yan, V. Last 1, last 5. Okay, tinapos na natin eh. Team 3 versus Team 4, pasok. Girly, Eds, Luis, Marichu.